Hey, what's up everyone? First off, big congratulations to you for taking that first step into exploring the world of stock trading. We know it can seem a bit overwhelming, but trust us, it's a journey well worth embarking on. Starting your journey as a beginner trader is an exciting adventure, but it's essential to lay down a solid foundation. So, let's break it down into simple steps to help you get started with confidence. Over the next 3 videos, our goal is to make this journey a tad bit smoother for you, helping you understand the ins and outs of the stock market and seeing if this is something you're excited to dive into. So, let's jump right in. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let us share why we believe everyone should learn about stock trading. First and foremost, learning about the stock market is like unlocking a treasure chest of financial knowledge. It's not just about buying and selling stocks, it's about understanding how the economy, businesses, and even global events impact the markets. This knowledge arms you with the ability to make informed financial decisions. You see, the concepts we've picked up aren't just confined to the stock market. They're like superpowers that you can apply universally, whether in real estate, e-commerce, car trading, or any other market. We've harnessed these concepts to seize opportunities and manage risks effectively. Picture this: you're an entrepreneur with a brilliant business idea. By understanding the stock market, you can tap into the power of raising capital through stock offerings or even mergers. This can be a game changer in turning your dream venture into a reality. But it's not just for entrepreneurs. Learning about the stock market empowers individuals from all walks of life. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or even retired, the insights you gain can help you manage your savings, retirement plans, and investment portfolios more strategically. Moreover, understanding the stock market enhances your critical thinking and decision-making skills. It's not just about numbers, it's about analyzing trends, assessing risk, and making calculated moves. These skills spill over into various aspects of life, making you a more informed and strategic thinker. One question that's on the minds of many aspiring investors: how long does it take to become proficient in stock market investing? Allow us to say that investing in the stock market is a journey, not a race. Becoming proficient isn't about a specific time frame, but rather about dedication, learning, and practice. Finding your rhythm in the stock market is like mastering any other skill. It's a combination of theoretical knowledge, hands-on experience, and the ability to adapt to the changing market conditions. Think of it this way: becoming proficient in stock market investing is like learning a new skill. Just like playing an instrument or mastering a sport, it requires time and effort. Patience and consistency are your allies. The journey to proficiency is not without its challenges. Every moment you spend learning and adapting gets you closer to your goal. There's no magic formula that guarantees you'll become an expert overnight. The good news is that you don't need to spend years to make progress. With consistent effort, you can start making informed investment decisions in a matter of months. However, becoming truly proficient, where you can navigate different market conditions and adapt your strategies, takes more time. Remember, patience is key. Proficiency doesn't come overnight. It comes from analyzing your trades, learning from your mistakes, and continuously improving. Over time, you'll develop a trading style that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Once you've got a solid grasp of the basics, it's time to put theory into practice. Now, the burning question: how much money do you need to start trading? Let's drop a truth bomb. You can begin learning how to trade in the stock market for free. Yes, you heard that right. Absolutely free. Forget about the initial investment for a moment. We want you to focus on the learning journey. Let's enter the world of paper trading, a fantastic resource to practice what you learn minus the real money. Paper trading, also known as simulated trading, is like a training ground for traders, allowing you to practice and perfect your strategies before you dive into the real market. Imagine this: you're learning to drive. You wouldn't start on the freeway, right? You'd head to an empty parking lot to get the hang of it. Well, that's exactly what paper trading does for your trading journey. It provides a safe environment to learn the ropes and fine-tune your moves. Here's the beauty with paper trading: you're not using real money. Instead, you're trading with virtual funds, which means you can make mistakes, experiment with different strategies, and learn without the fear of losing your hard-earned cash. Now, let's address a common misconception. Some might say, but if I'm not using real money, won't I take it less seriously? Well, here's the thing. Paper trading is about playing games. It's about approaching it just as you would with real money. Why? Because this is your chance to develop discipline and build good habits. Think about it. You can track your trades, analyze your wins and losses, and reflect on what worked and what didn't. This self-assessment is invaluable. It helps you understand your strengths, weaknesses, and areas that need improvement. Plus, it reduces the urge to make impulsive decisions. Now, let's talk about strategy testing. Paper trading allows you to experiment with various trading styles, from day trading to swing trading and even long-term investing. It's like trying on different hats to see which one fits you best. Here's a tip. Start with a trading plan. Outline your goals, risk tolerance, and strategies you want to test. Then, execute these plans through paper trading. It's all about practicing what you plan to do in the real market. Friends, paper trading is not just for beginners. Even experienced traders use it to test new strategies before risking real money. It's a tool that keeps your skills sharp and your trading instincts on point. Paper trading, particularly Webull, is like a simulation. You're trading with virtual money, but you're gaining real experience. This platform lets you put all the concepts from our videos to the test without risking a single dime. Whether it's buying stocks, locking in profits, or managing risk, you can experiment with it all. Here's the thing. Beginners often obsess about profits, which can cloud their learning process. Paper trading eliminates that pressure. You can trade without emotions, learning how to make informed decisions, and understand when to buy, sell, or cut losses. Paper trading is your gateway to mastering the art of stock trading. It's not about the money at this stage. It's about building a solid foundation. Remember, trading is all about making informed decisions, and practice is key. So, whether you're a beginner or just looking to refine your skills, paper trading is your secret weapon. Remember, focus on learning, and the profits will naturally flow. Now, are you ready to take that leap into paper trading? Webull has got you covered. You can scan for stocks, analyze them during my live trading sessions, and benefit just like we do. The beauty is that you're using Take Money to enhance your learning experience. Download the Webull trading platform and set up your paper trading account. Webull is not your typical trading platform. It's designed for investors who want to explore the world of financial markets with no minimum account sizes and, wait for it, commission-free trading. Yes, you heard that right. No pesky trading fees eating into your profits. The moment you launch the Webull app, you'll notice its sleek and intuitive design. It's a mobile-first platform, but don't worry, there's also a web-based version for those who prefer a larger screen. Here's the deal. Webull is not a full-service broker, so if you're into the DIY approach and want to have a hands-on experience with your portfolio management, this platform is perfect for you. It's all about empowering you to take control of your investments. And guess what? Webull's customer base skews younger compared to other brokerage companies. It's a go-to choice for young investors who want to dip their toes into the trading world and start building their financial future. One of the biggest perks of using Webull is the no-cost model. Active traders, this one's for you. With commission-free trading, you can execute trades without worrying about those extra fees eating into your gains. And here's where it gets even more exciting. Webull offers direct cryptocurrency access. You can easily buy and sell different coins all within the same app. It's like having a one-stop shop for both traditional and digital investments. Of course, no platform is perfect. Webull's not an exception. It's important to note that they don't offer all asset types like fixed income or foreign exchange trading. And while their educational content is improving, it might not be as robust as some other platforms out there. So there you have it, my friend. If you've got questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments section. Remember, every step you take towards learning is a step towards becoming a more proficient investor. Stay curious, stay committed, and let's embark on this trading journey together. Thank you for joining us today, and if you're ready to take the next steps towards trading stocks, be sure to check out our upcoming video on how to start trading stocks as beginners part 2. Moreover, don't miss out on our video on trading styles where trading techniques are presented. See you!